The general term of a binomial expansion is n combination r multiplied by x to the power n minus r and multiplied by y to the power r. Here, x and y are any real numbers. So if we want to find the general term of any binomial, we use this relation. Now let's find the general term of the following binomials. First one is x plus y raised to the power 5. Next is 3x minus 1 raised to the power 6. And the last one is x plus y raised to the power 12. So for the first one, x plus y raised to the power 5, the general term here is simply n is 5, so we have 5 combination r multiplied by x raised to the power n is 5, minus r multiplied by y to the power r. So that's the general term of this binomial. Then for the second one, 3x minus 1 raised to the power 6. In this case, x is equivalent to 3x and y is equivalent to minus 1. So to find the general term, we use n combination r, x to the power n minus r, y to the power r. So this will give us n is 6. So we have 6 combination r into x is 3x. So we have 3x raised to the power 6 minus r into y is minus 1. So we have minus 1 raised to the power r. So that's the general term of that binomial. Then the third one, this is second, not third. Now the third one, x plus y raised to the power 12. Here n is equal to 12. Then the general term will be n combination r, that is 12 combination r multiplied by x raised to the power 12 minus r, y raised to the power r. So that's the general term of the binomial. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and share, and also drop a comment if you have any. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so right away.